What's going on, YouTubers? Gadang775, just a my boy in Texas, back with another video. Today, if you're wondering why the sound is a little different and the picture is a little different, it's because I'm using the back camera of the Moto X4 to shoot this entire video, and it's being shot in 4K. Okay, there's going to be a little bit of breaks in between because I think the maximum footage you can shoot at a time is 5 minutes, so I'm going to have to press the record button every now and then. But let's get this started. I've got an unboxing today of a random pair of headphones that I picked up off of Amazon. I like to pick up random things, and this is a bit of a older set of headphones, and this is the Idea USA Atomik I think it's S204 headphones. These are over the ear. It's sporting some Bluetooth 4.0, which is the very minimum. Okay, this is an older pair of headphones. These have been out for a while now, maybe like a year and a half, 2 years ago. And the reason why I picked this up because it was cheap. It was like this was like new. Okay, I picked it up, so it's possibly used, but I'm gonna go ahead and take a look at it right now. So let's go ahead and unbox this, shall we? So it's not that way. There we go. And there it is. Not bad. Nice presentation. You got some paperwork in there. Atomik, yep, S204, Idea USA, over the ear wireless headphones, and it's like a rectangular shaped type of ear cups, which I like because it's gonna cover my whole ear and not squash and make, what do you call that, create pressure points, which I don't like with about, you know, circular ear on the ear type headphones. Let's go ahead, and there it is. And these look pretty good. Atomik, and wow, it's got a nice cushion here. Adjustable. Okay, it says left and right. I always like when they have left and right there. Let's go ahead and test the fit out, shall we? Oh, they fit perfectly, and this just sits perfectly right on top of your head. Very nice and soft. Got a nice cushion on top there. Okay, let's go ahead and see what is in the rest of the package here. You have a 3.5mm jack and a micro USB cable to charge. And I like the fact they threw in a hard case. Hard cases are a dime a dozen, but I love when they throw it in with a pair of headphones. And this was like new, so I got this for like what, $39. I think the average price goes for $49.99. So they look pretty good to me. They look like they haven't even been used. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this paired up and do a little jump cut right here with my LG V30. Okay folks, I got this paired up with my LG V30. Now it's the sound test, okay? It looks like a pretty decent pair of headphones. I like the look. I like the way that the ear cups fit on my head. Now let's see how they sound. Okay, let's get my YouTube list. Alright, let me get these on. So let's get the left. Of course, I gotta turn it up all the way. Skip to the bass. How's that? Can you hear it? Let's try another song. Let's try another one with bass. Where is it? Ah! Let's try this one. Bass gonna kick in. How's that? So 40 bucks, $39.99 as a like new product. Okay, some of the like new, oh wait, it kind of swivels here too. Look at this. It kind of swivels. You can kind of adjust it to your ear. I like that. You got the volume buttons over here on this side, and like you hold down the volume button to skip forward, and hold this one to skip backward to go back, and you just tap it to adjust the volume. And these are pretty decent for what they are. Let me go ahead and see if I can get it as loud as I can. Oh my gosh, they do get louder. Oh my gosh. Look at that, that's full volume. Holy smokes. Wait for it, wait for the bass. Oh my goodness. $39.99 for a like new pair of headphones. Okay, you folks are wondering why I pick up these no-name type of headphones and just pick them off Amazon. Well, this is not exactly a no-name company. Idea USA has been putting out really great headphones, and I wanted to get a pair of these headphones for a while now. I think I saw these over a year and a half ago, but I just kept on seeing other stuff like the Bluetooth headphones, my Sony MB950BTs up there, Bluetooth F2s, I mean the Zealot B21s, the Zombie Cat headphones, but this ranks up pretty close to the Bluetooth F2s. Now, noise cancellation is not a big feature. I don't think it's even a feature on here. But you got aptX audio technology, and I mean 14 hours talk time. So there's a, what do you call that? There's a microphone in there so you can take calls. I haven't tested it with the calls, okay? But I know for a fact these things get loud, okay? Because I had it all the way turned up on my LG V30. Plus I pressed the volume on here and made it all the way up, and it got fairly significantly loud. Okay, the mids and highs, they're pretty balanced for the most part. Nice and clear. I'm not gonna say crystal, but pretty close. And the bass, there's bass. I mean, the bass is pretty deep for what you pay for. Okay, price per performance, these are fantastic pair of cans. Okay, if you're on a budget, you're looking for a wireless set of cans, just something at home, you know, walking around. I would not recommend this going to the gym or whatnot. I don't think it's sweat proof, you know, but if you just want to lounge at home, maybe even on a car ride, a long car ride. Now the noise cancellation, I haven't tested it, but I'm gonna do a comparison of these headphones with my other headphones later on down the line, as my over-ear headphones like the Bluetooth F2s, my Sony 950BTs, and my Bluetooth UFO. So I'm gonna compare them to this. So a $40 pair of headphones compared to a $65, $100, and $200 headphones. So I'm gonna compare it to my Sennheiser wireless Urbanite XL. That's like the biggest waste of money I ever spent on a pair of headphones. But it's fantastic, but it's overpriced for what it is. And these are not overpriced. If you can get these for 50 bucks, I totally recommend it. Okay, you're looking for something, you know, is loud, got decent bass, almost crystal clear mids and highs, fairly balanced, and does not distort at the top end. I suggest you folks take a look at this. I'll leave a link down below. So if you folks like this video, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more videos every few days. If you didn't like this video, hit that dislike button, let me know in the comments down below. I do appreciate the criticism. Good night, 775, just a Molly boy in Texas.